Welcome to this video. I'll be showing you what the FXMILK trading system is all about. Okay, so right here in this video, I want to explain the uses, or rather how to get the most from FXMILK trading system. Okay, now FXMILK trading system is majorly FXMILK X, to be precise. If you observe here, I have many versions I'm working on. FXMILK X, which is already in the market, is best traded on GBP card and Euro SGD. Okay, Euro SGD. Yeah, Euro SGD. So, and optimized time frame right now is period M15, and this is the current settings. Not this. Okay, this is one of the best settings for it right now. One of the best settings for it right now. So with these settings, we are going to test together. So, and we are going to see what this FXMILK system can deliver for us. This video is not for me to explain entirely what all this does, but if you get the robot, you can always reach out to me and I will explain in full if you have any question. Okay, so I already did the settings, which I believe is the best for now for Euro SGD period M15, and I'm using the current spread. So what is the current spread of Euro SGD? That's about 10 pip. And I'm going to click on start. So I deliberately use visual mode so that you can see the way the robot trades, and you can see that so far majority of the trades it has taken so far are ended in profit. Okay, majority of the trades ended in profit. There has been no loss yet. Now you need to understand that this is not there's no guarantee. This is not a holy grail system. If you're looking for the holy grail, you may want to check next door, but we don't have holy grail system here. What we have is a system that works. There will be times when there will be drawdowns, and there will be times when it will look as if the EA is not profitable. No, it's not that it's not profitable. It is profitable. It's just that the current market have secure the trades and continue trading. So if you see here, you can see that we closed some trades negative, which means the market was running against the EA, and the EA decided that okay, it is time to close out on a few losses just to continuously trade and make more profitable decisions. So the trading time, or rather trading duration we set, is from 2 a.m. in the midnight till 8 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so that's from 2 to 20. And the reason is because in the settings here, we are trying to avoid rollover period, okay, which there's always very high spread. And we know that strategy tester cannot account for the rollover period high spread. That's the major reason why we decided to, okay, let's close, let's remove the what's it called? Let's remove the period hours of AM. The EA is not the hour. So you can see there sometimes we are in drill. Okay, the system is not holy grail. It is not holy grail. So we were in profit, now we're in drawdowns. But one thing that's certain is that we'll continuously be in profit. So because of time, I'm going to skip this testing, so which I have skipped it now, and I may pause this video. So once as you can see, we hit some drawdown. This is around COVID time. This is around COVID period. Everyone hits drawdown around COVID period. So this is from February to March 2020. You can see this is March 2020. So that's COVID period. So almost all systems hit drawdown around that time. So as you can see, what happened next is that we recovered as COVID is recovering. As you can see as well, the system is recovering as well. So let's wait till the end of the analysis and we'll be back going. So let's wait till, as you can see right now, we're at around $2,900. And as you can see, the equity curve is a very beautiful equity curve with some stagnation period. As you can see here, a little of stagnation period, but we are still going. So let's wait. Let's see. I will pause the recording once closer to the end of the period to do the back test section from 2020 to 2024, November, and that's November 18th, 2024. That's almost the latest data I have. With me today is November 20th, so that's just 2 days back. And so far, the graph is still making sense. As you can see, we are currently sitting at an equity of about $5,000 plus from an initial capital of $1,000. Now, the way this system is designed is to mimic live environments. That is why we deliberately skipped those periods in which we know that our spread is exceptionally wide. As you can see right now, the spread is just within an average of 10, 11, and 12. So, which is around 10 for now, as you can see. So we are done with the test. This is the graph. You can see from $1,000 to 1,800. And if you check the report, we have a profit factor of 1.91, which is a very beautiful profit factor. If you check other systems, absolute drawdown of $200 during the COVID period, which is relatively about just 20% of the account. And we made over 400%, 489% of the account within the space of 4 years thereabouts. And profitable trade, we were profitable 92% of the time. We only lost 13 trades, 113 trades, sorry. The largest profitable trade was $57, largest loss trade was $285. So consecutively, we are profitable using the system. So this is just to show you what the system is capable of. And as I've said, this is on Euro, this is on Euro SGD. Now look at the tick model. Now modeling quality is not available because I am using data from Quant Data Manager. Okay, I'm using data from Quant Data Manager. So which is Lucas copy data. So all the data I have is 99.9%. So as you can see, there is no error, no mismatched chart errors during the test. Okay, no mismatched chart errors during the test. So this is one beautiful thing about this system. One beautiful thing about the system, and you can see the graph. So let's check on GBP card as well. So I'm going to put in the settings for GBP card, which I am certain is great. Just leave this, okay. Yeah, just leave everything. I'll just change the AI level alone and I'll click on start. So let's check the data started trading as well. You can see the equity curve is almost the same. So I'm going to pause the video once again. And once we are about done with the test, I will resume the video. I just resumed the recording to show you once again that COVID period, almost every pair hits a drawdown. So this is the COVID period again. As you can see, I'm also having some drawdown on GBP card as well. So it's just normal. Okay, COVID period, everyone hits a drawdown. It's not something special. Okay, so let's continue. We are close to halfway into the system, and let's check the graph. The graph is still looking nice. We are up around $3,300, $3,400 from our initial $1,000. That's about 300% already, and we still have more than halfway to go. So this is around maybe 45% done. So I just decided to show you that as we are going, and if you check the results down here, you can observe here on the graph that we have some periods of drawdown. So this is to show you that it is a system that is working. Now, systems that have just straight lines with no drawdowns are systems with risky trading strategies. Now, this trading strategy that is employed here does not martingale and does not hedge. It's just a pure one-shot entry and exit, which means one pair, one entry. It's just what the system is all about. So look at it. A trade will close before the next one would open. Okay, a trade closes before the next one will open. There will be a stop loss or a take profit or a close or market close before the next trade will open. So we do not compound interest. We do not compound trade here. here we are not using martingale. That's what I'm trying to differentiate. Okay, if you check in the settings, we have the percentage risk. So if we use the percentage risk settings, what the result we are going to get is going to be much more creative than this. But here we are using a static lot size of 0.1. If you check, our lot size is a static 0.1. So for static lot size, if we are having crazy returns like this, you can just imagine, you can only imagine what we would have if we are using dynamic lot sizes, which means as your capital is growing, your lot sizes are increasing. So we can relatively grow an account from $1,000 to $20,000, $50,000 by using a relative lot size of, let's say, if I decide to risk 5 or 10% of the account size, you realize that what I can get is going to be massive and it's going to be crazy. So that is just that on that. I just started to share that with you, but for now we are not using that. We are just using a static lot size and measuring the growth. So I always love to show this to my clients so that they don't have the notion that they have an EA that does not lose. This should be 2022. If I'm right, yes, this is 2022 towards 2023. And of course, this is what happened. I don't know what economic situation happened back then, but something happened. And I think that was Russia. I couldn't remember. I think that was when Russia, Ukraine started their war. It was 2022. So we always have we see the effect on the market and the effect on our EE as well. So this goes to show you that this system is designed to reflect what is actually happening in the market, and it is not designed to, you know, in any way try to deceive clients or deceive users. No, it is designed to just trade the right way. And you can see it has recovered from the drawdown period. So let it be at the back of your mind as a trader that there will be periods of drawdown. So the fact that you are using a system and it is in drawdown does not mean that the system is not working. It just shows that you are using a working system, a profitable system that recognizes drawdown. And look at what happened after the drawdown. Look at what happened after the drawdown. Look at the massive leg up. Look at that massive leg up. And this all happened in this year alone, 2024. It happened this year. Look here, as we after this drawdown, here in COVID, the massive leg up, then another drawdown, massive leg up after drawdowns, massive leg ups after drawdown. So drawdowns are inevitable. So the best you could do is just embrace it and work with it. Let's see how far we are. We should be almost done. Yeah, we're almost done with this. We're almost done with this. All right, so we are done with the testing. We are done with the testing. We have a profit factor of 1.57, which makes sense a lot. So we have a total profitable trade of 95% profitable trades and losing trades of 82, just 82. And if you check my what's it called, modeling quality is 299.9%. Do not mind the not available here because it is imported. That's why it's saying not available. So as you can see, initial deposit of $1,000, total net profit of 4,500, and that's about 459% return on investment. And that is a massive return on investment, if you ask me. So this is just a video showing you the capacities of this trading system. And someone might ask me, is it just not that it is trading like this on demo account? Does it trade the same way? It is trading the same way on a live account, which I would show in subsequent videos that is coming up. It is trading the same way on a live account. And if you want to get a system, reach out to me. My information will be in the description. You can also get it on the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, so the link will also be in the description below. So thank you and have a nice day.